How to delete a video clip in KineMaster using your iPhone, whether it's a mistake, an extra scene, or just not needed anymore. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in KineMaster app. Now look at your timeline and tap on the video clip you want to delete. It will be highlighted with a yellow border. Tap on it. Once it's selected, just tap the trash can icon on the right-hand menu right here. Tap on it. And that's it, the video is deleted from your project. Repeat the same process for the next video clip, like this. Quick, clean and super simple. Now you need to undo it, no problem. Just hit the undo arrow at the top to bring it back. This one. And that's it. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Now see you in the next video. Bye bye.